Have you ever been in a room where someone has dominated the conversation and not given you the chance to speak? Or maybe you have a burning question or comment you want to raise, but are too afraid to say it, fearful you may stumble or stutter. Or perhaps you're really keen to engage with a project, but you're always at work when the meetings take place. Have you ever watched a protest and thought, I really agree with what they're saying, but I could never do that myself? Change is often perceived as loud. We think that for change to happen, we must confront authority by shouting, crying, and screaming. Is this the only way we can use power? And is anyone really listening? When we are shouting, who is benefiting? We shout at politicians hoping they will listen to us. They don't. We get angry. We shout louder, click faster, and think we are expressing ourselves. Is the reality we are feeding the system we are trying to defeat? Is this why nothing ever seems to change? If you want to change the world, you must first understand the limits of your power, and how your methodology, even with the best intentions, could be harming others. We believe, as the Quiet Agency Collective, that there are other ways voices can be made heard, and change can be enacted. We believe this can be done quietly, by listening, observing, and learning. Our work is a direct response to the overriding forms of community engagement that exist today, that are often tokenistic and exclusionary. It is also responding to our concerns about the relationship we as students have to communities, questioning whether current methodologies can be harmful and exploit precarity for our own benefit. The Quiet Agency zine is a tool that we as spatial practitioners can use to engage with both structures of power and local groups in order to broach new conversations around how we engage and how we bring agency to those who are not being heard.